Hey loves, it's your girl Natalia.Armoni and welcome back to my channel. Happy 2020! This is my first video in 2020 and today I'll be showing you guys how I installed my first HD lace. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and do the ball cap method. I always do this method when I apply wigs simply because it protects your hair underneath and it protects those edges, girl. So I always suggest to people to do the ball cap method, especially when you're using adhesive glue to melt down your lace. So the wig that I'll be installing today is from West Kids Hair. This is their 13x6 HD lace wig, 22 inches and 180% density. Of course, I'll have all the links down below if you guys want to purchase this wig. This is not my first time working with West Kids Hair. I work with this company so many times and every time they have been amazing. I love West Kids. I believe this is one of my favorite hair companies to work with. They never disappoint, but this is my first time trying out their HD lace and I gotta say, like, it did not disappoint. This lace is melted right in my skin. It was so thin. It's so easy to work with. Oh my god, I don't think I want to go back to any other lace. Like, HD lace is it for me, okay? And as you can see, I'm starting to apply the adhesive. The adhesive that I'm using today is the Boho Active. I've always been reaching for this glue lately because it works so good. But I actually want to start bringing you guys glueless wig videos. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about that. But yeah, this video is going to be more of a watch me, and I'm not going to be talking as much because you guys see me put on wigs a million times. So I'll probably be back to give you a little bit more detail on the hair later on in the video. So guys, I tried this new method when I applied this wig. Once I laid the lace inside the glue, I then sprayed some Got To Be spray on top, and I felt like it was just going to like ensure that my lace and my install lasted a little bit longer, and it actually was easier for me to cut the lace when I after the Got To Be glue dried. So this method I do recommend because I'm going to be using this a lot now when I apply my wigs. And I really want to say, look at this lace. Like, look at it. You wouldn't even think I had lace on if you didn't see my eyebrows through it. Like, this lace was the best. Like, it blended in with my skin so good. Oh my goodness. I love it. Okay, bye. And as for the hair, it was super, super soft, tangle free, minimum shut in. Like, I never ever had a bad batch of hair or bad experience with West Kids hair. They always provide A1 great quality hair. This is why I love them so much. But right now, as you can see, we're moving on to baby hairs. I normally don't show you guys how I do my baby hairs, but I did this time. So I hope you guys enjoy it. It's a long process. So once I'm done with my baby hair, I always take a scarf and tie them down for at least 10 minutes to ensure that they're nice and laid. But this is the final results. I end up styling the hair off of camera, but I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love you all, and like always, and I see you in my next video.